Program is called Operation Ceasefire, and it's implemented in Petersburg and Richmond to prosecute repeat offenders, increase prevention efforts, and promote community policing models. In a room full of adults attending a Richmond Public School safety forum sat one Hopewell teenager.
I like to play sports, baseball, football, basketball.
But sports wasn't this teen's extracurricular activity. Instead, his dad, Tavares Marks, felt there was something more important.
A lot of our violence right now is being predicated by youth. And I wanted him to understand that there's resources out here. We're working hard to prevent violence.
He and his son listened to a Richmond Public School safety forum at a church.
It's not me, myself, and I. It's we.
Led by Attorney General Jason Miyares to talk about his initiative, Operation Ceasefire, that has been rolled out in 12 high-crime cities. It focuses on prosecuting repeat offenders, community policing models, and investing in witness protection, as well as investing in community prevention efforts.
Gun crime means more time.
Miyares says it's led to 29 cases being brought against repeat offenders in the Richmond and Petersburg area. Richmond and Petersburg also got a portion of the $5 million for community prevention efforts from the Department of Criminal Justice. In Richmond so far, it's gone to prison reentry, mentorship, life training, and the Richmond Rehabilitation Housing Authority.
People with a proven track record of actually investing in young people and putting them on the right path.
He says the AG's office is currently working with vendors to roll out messaging that could be pushed out to kids' phones if there's chatter of gun violence online.
We're going to have specific messaging to targeted areas in our ceasefire cities down to the neighborhood level of don't use guns in commission of crime, because there's going to be serious consequences.
More than anything, Miyares and other leaders in Richmond and Chesterfield called on the community to invest in the youth to help break the cycle of crime.
Let's be there for our kids.
A message already being implemented by one father who hoped his son sees just how serious the consequences for committing crimes can be.
Some kids, they don't have mentors in their life, but I do. I have a mom and a dad in my life, but some kids don't, and I have the chance to be great. But even if you don't have a father figure or mom, you can still be great.
Miyares plans to give an end-of-year update on how the program did overall in January. He also hopes to secure more funding from the General Assembly to add more cities next year.